Namaste. This is DB Prakash from Institute of Practical Accountancy. We just wanted to introduce actually IPA Institute of Practical Accountancy was established in the year 1993. We have been training the candidates, fresh commerce management candidates, and other than commerce management students also are trained in accounts and finance. Accountancy is made very easy to understand. Okay, we have been bringing out many series of videos on accounts and finance subjects, and most of you have enjoyed, and we have been getting the good reviews also on Google. You can check it up. I want you to, if you like our video, please like it. If watch and like it, and also please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates from our IPA. We have been bringing out series of videos from various experts in the field of direct and indirect taxes and HR and interviews, everything like that's a region. Okay, now I want to speak about why we are not getting the jobs. This is the reason because I have been getting the inquiries on from 21 years to 60 years persons. Can we get the jobs? How is the future in accounts and finance? What are the various opportunities? The other day also we conducted employment opportunities in accounts and finance. One expert, he's a vice president of a company, he spoke about it, and then how to go and search in employment portals, and even there are so many opportunities how to apply, and where you are making the mistake, or whatever the small, if you make out changes in your by data, and also you make out your personal make your self assessment. Am I correct? Okay, now we talk about it we talk about it. The topic is get job without working experience. Yes, this is my from the beginning. How we have been stressing on that how to get the job without working experience. Is it not interesting to you? If you go and ask a housewife who is a 45, he says that, sir, I've lost touch from my accounts in the BCom. It was in almost all 15 years back now. I'm not having an account, but I want to get a job. The man who retired from the job, and he says that, sir, I'm interested, I want to work in accounts. I got the experience in banking, but the accounts, commercial accounting is different. And also some persons, marketing persons, the MBA marketing, they also come and, sir, I'm not liking this marketing job. There are with the targets and all. Can I get a job in accounts and find how to change my career? That's a reason everybody, they are looking for employment opportunities in accounts and finance. They have a idea that accounts finance is the area. Yes, yes, you are 100% correct. You know, I will also explain you, it was given long back by the Chartered Accountants organization says that, so many, they were saying at that time, I don't remember exact, suppose each chartered accountant needs 10 accountants under him. Like that, in the chartered accountants organization, I've got 5, 6 lakhs chartered accountants. That number, sorry if I please change it. And so if they have you can multiply by 10, you see that is a number of the opportunity. This is not only starting with a small shop to big company, everywhere accounts and finance. So that's the reason I wanted to just, can we, and also that normally in the market, everybody, if you go for a job, do have working experience. They say that, why mean to say the companies are saying, "Arey, I cannot teach you what is a voucher, what is a book, how to make the balance sheet, all these things which are daily routine, like your filing of your GST return. income tax part of it. So the chartered accountant wants his assistant. He said that I cannot teach you what is GSTR one, what is a GSTR two, what is a voucher, how to write it. I mean, what is a head of account? How to pick, because all this, what is a cash book, all these things, which we know the terminology from BCom subjects, but the thing is that practically we don't know. That's a reason practical forms and all what we call it as a commerce lab, like, if we have exposure to all this practical side, is it not, you know, it's like $1,000 answer to the point, that $1,000 question like. So here, many people are finding out is only to just look into what are the areas, how to mold myself out there. So that's a reason I'm telling you what we say that we have been, our course is called as a substitute for working experience. What do we need? There's a, see, look here. If you if you're going, they're asking for your working experience, fine. If that working experience we cannot get in the company, if you join and then if you go through how much time, how long it takes. So that's the entire content part of it, taxation, direct and indirect taxes, payroll accounting, and then the accounts and manufacturing accounts. Like, to go everywhere, it is in a, all the items are in a one plate, like this course is offered. That's a reason. Okay. I'll tell you what you should know. Practical accounting. Practical accounting, starting with, I'll tell you, our course is basically why the non-commerce graduates also, MBBS doctor was our student. He may be, because I don't want to make a mention, he may also be watching. He says that, yes, he may. So, and engineers and other housewives, what a 55 years housewife also. If I want to, you can go to Google and search, you can find our students' reviews. They have done at the age of 45 also completed the course and then they got the jobs. Nowadays is my friends are been asking that, Prakash, you can give me the candidates. We have plenty of jobs. Okay. How do we teach? Like a practical accountancy. Why do you need this practical accountant? Can I'm having a sir that in the now the accounts are on computerized accounting. Computerized accounting, tally, focus, wings, the balance. There are, if you go to foreign QuickBooks, Peachtree, that means to say that if you go to anywhere, all these things are, this is a financial accounting software. Higher level financial accounting software, SAP, FICO, they call it as a. Don't get confused. SAP, FICO means it's not for, in these two modules again, is a one is a financial accounting, FI, CO is a controlling. SAP, acha, then you get Oracle financials. People soft like, there are the accounting, all these things are in a accounting side only. Levels. These are all the softwares. So why not? Can I go to directly into that software? I learn Tally because Tally is being used. Yes, sir, I learn Tally, and then I'll get the opportunities. Fine, you get the opportunities. But to what and how it will be helpful to me? I learn a Tally. I go to a company, sir. I know the Tally. I want to work here. He said that yes, come down, take out your. He will give you the job as a. But what sort of job? He'll say that yes, you have to feed in the. There will be accountant. They will be giving you all the transaction, like a vouchers or something. He'll be asking you to feed that information every day, morning to evening. Bills, other. Yes, I'm feeding it, but I'm not making the balance sheets. I'm not doing that any adjustment. What is the challenge? This is the only I'm an assistant. It is called as a data entry operation. Those sort of candidates are coming to us. Sir, I've been working as a, that's called as a computer operator. Though I am doing the account job, but I'm not an accountant. If I want to go as an accountant, what they will ask me, do you know about your account, can you make balance sheets? Yes, you are doing it, but in the computer, whatever they need tomorrow, financial statements as per the company law, and where are again any transactions like adjustment entries or rectification entries. If there are any transactions, you do have a perfect knowledge. Can you do it? No, I was only entering these transactions. Do you know the GST? How to find out the tax rate? That is a commodity taxation. How to find, make out GSTR1, GSTR2, GSTR3. What is the export sales? What are the B2B? What is the B2C? All these transactions. Can you upload it on your GST portal? Do you know about your income tax or state? Do you know if you go to MNC company accounts, MNC company, do you know about your accounts? I'll give you a module. I mean, I'll give you a vertical job. It's a job line. It's called as a accounts processor, AP, accounts processor. Yeah, this is all these things. That's the reason we say that we are working as a, that is the only you are assistant to somebody. You are not a independent. You are because of the thing that you are lacking knowledge, practical knowledge. That's the reason we have we are coming into the picture. Practical account. Practical accountant meant to say, I'll tell you. I've been telling that like a doctor or a nurse, MBBS doctor. What does MBBS doctor, what he knows, you can also, because you will do the operations, you know about the body of a person and what are the, how the diseases formulate, isn't it? The people are facing how to do. But that is a dark nurse is called as an assistant to like a, I told you, computer operator is also an assisting accountant. That's a nurse is helping the doctor. She can give injection, some small tablets like if you get a normal disease, she knows that how to give it. So to some an extent that treatment. Can you equalize a nurse with a doctor? That's the reason we are making you this course practical accountant makes you like a doctor. We did say give you practically procedures. The trial balance won't tally. The people are, our students. Sorry, I say that you follow the practical procedure. You have to. It is your duty of the accountant to tally. That's the reason our people in that, so they know how the trial balance tallies, why the trial balance won't tally, where they find out their own mistakes. And also those are all the transactions after that P&L account and balance sheets, check bounced entries, and then how to transfer all the entries like transfer monthly expenses and incomes, transferring it. We call it as a provisions adjustment at the annual finalization of accounts. That's a reason A to Z. All my students, you can also watch, I mean, I watch for that. So they are making from A to Z up to the balance sheet. They are called as a thorough. Then if you are going onto the computer, he knows what is a voucher, how the transaction take place after the voucher. It goes into that when either into the cash book, isn't it? If the cash payment, if other journal entry, how to take out the journal. So in the computer, it is only giving you all the information. He knows that what to take, how to this thing is already. That's a reason. And also, I'm telling you, I will tell you very very simple example. Your whole accounting system is depending upon your heads of account. What is that? Head of account. What is a head of account? I'll tell you. If I'm buying for home, if I'm buying for home, what do you buy, sir? You buy tomato, aloo, chili, you said a brinjal, all these things, carrot, you buy anything. So that whole month, I know I will be whatever I purchase a chili account, aloo account, tomato account. If I make it a item wise, how many accounts will come? If you buy, if you buy maida, maida, sugar, wheat, dal. But if you are gone household, I'm buying it, sir. Each item make it how many items it will come up. Can we make all these items into? groups, small groups. I will say that, sir, aloo, chili, tomato, all we club it into one account called as a vegetables account. Is it not very, very interesting? And then, instead of having so many items, everybody knows that array vegetable means a tomato comes in that, aloo comes in that. In the same way, if we are talking about the groceries, rice, wheat, dal, oh, groceries means a grocery store. What do we get? Groceries account. Toothbrush, powders, no, what do we call? Cosmetics account. Is it not? So that's the reason. When you are making a voucher into the computer, payment made for which account? It will ask you which account you have made a payment. I say that, sir, I made for, I made for groceries account. Fine, groceries account. Do you say that 1,000 rupees? But computer will ask you, you don't tell the computer, suppose groceries account. You say that groceries account, only say that yes, you enter. Computer will say, no, its entry is wrong. Why? You 1,000, you paid it by cash or a check. You tell me. If you paid it by cash, what happened? If you have a 5,000 cash, out of that you paid 1,000. Cash balance will come 4,000. And here it will 1,000 paid for groceries. The accounts will tally. That's a reason, because here you have to mention two cash account payment like it. Payments are called as a debit, what we say that simply. So groceries account debit 1,000 to cash account done. So that's a reason our practical accounting, whatever you are making, all this practical procedure, it will help you to enter in that. That's a reason our, so in this you will be trained. This is like a substitute for working experience. We are not teaching for the first time so many years. That's the reason. Check up our, in the same way, here in this course, we are also sales register, purchase register, sundry creditor, sundry debt. These are all the terminology change of sundry creditors means accounts payable in a MNC company. Sundry debtors means accounts receivable. Yeah, accounts processor GL. Like there are in the MNC company, all these jobs are also divided into verticals. Like everything we do our course is not only in accounts. In the same way, the taxation, like GST, income tax, payroll accounting, practical finance, and then this computerized accounting on ERP package. So that's a reason our students, some of the people who had 3 years experience, they are also saying that, sir, I was doing the accounts with so many doubts in the, I was doing like a mechanically still with so many doubts in the mind. When I've done practically all this, I got, now I am taken as a SAP accounts assistant in SAP end user course. That's the reason, if you are going for this software, you are going to any, tomorrow you have to go to QuickBooks also. QuickBooks is American part of it. So many are using, our students who are going. There was a, I mean, you will get the review shortly. She is BSc candidate. She joined our course. She learned all the practical accounting, everything. She went there. She is very easily, she could do that, learn, like a one a step. She could do that, learn all these QuickBooks, and then she got a job in QuickBooks also. SAP, so many. So this is the course. What I wanted to just tell you, you're all your commerce and management students. Please go into the in deeply study our course part of it, the details. That's a reason it will be helpful to you. We have been companies and chartered accountants and tax advocates, other than, everybody, they have been contacting us for our candidates. So that is a help, assistance is always there. If you want to contact us, down this video description, our phone numbers are there. We are from Secunderabad Paradise Circle. So many, and we have an online and offline course also. Offline, online 3 months course. As I told you, 6 courses are there: practical accounting, practical GST, practical income tax, practical payroll accounting, practical finance, and lastly, computerized accounting, that is ERP software. That's a online courses are very, very flexible. So many technical people also are joining, software people and other. They want to, who wants to go to, it is a global accountant, as I said, throughout the worldwide. With our course, you can work, you will get the knowledge to work anywhere in the world. This is a, basically, it is a platform for you to get your employment opportunities in accounting. Okay. If you have any doubts or queries, my number is 90009041119. You can just message on WhatsApp. Just message on WhatsApp. We'll keep in touch with you. Thank you, one and all. I'll be bringing out so many videos on our so many topics, so many interesting topics. Okay. Thank you. Good day.